ladies and gentlemen, to deliver the address of gratitude, may we call on Cadet Wendell Yusuyu of Batch 2025.
Yun ang message na kita ko din.
Naimbag na bigat ka na tayo amin, nagpiyama umani kayo namin. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Good morning to one and all. May I ask you, cadets, did you ever wonder what would happen to you if you just stayed quiet and silent and just became comfortable with your current life status? Did you ever find yourself faced in a dilemma and choose not to show up and end up in a situation where getting something you didn't choose? Or did you ever find the courage to stand up for yourself and your beliefs? Because I did. And yes, I chose to show up and I chose to stand with courage. Not because I had all the answers, but because I knew I had a purpose. I am Rich Manuel Lepsuyo, and I'm deeply honored to stand before you today as the Governor of the College of Maritime Education, not to tell you how far I've come, but to remind you how far we can all go when we mix faith, love, and humility above all. When I first set foot in the grounds of this university, I am overwhelmed and intimidated by the changed of environment. I even had the companionship of my mother to get to the registrar because it's so overwhelming. And coming from a humble school, St. Joseph College of Pagao, I knew I should gear up myself because studying in university for college is like an unfamiliar environment where you need to leave your comfort zone for you to grow. I came here with one dream, to be a seafarer. I enrolled as a marine engineering student, and I was clueless, yes, but I was also hopeful. But beyond the technical knowledge, this journey taught me